Crosscurrent is a brilliant and exciting new mentoring program that we're launching as part of the IFES work in Europe and Eurasia with graduates, young graduates. That's the primary group that we're aiming for. We're working in a whole range of different fields that some of our graduates have found employment in after university, and some of these will be academic fields, some will be professional fields. So for example, psychology, economics, healthcare, law, journalism, media production. We're looking at all these different things. And the idea of the project is to bring together older Christians who have already been thinking for a long time about what it means to be a follower of Jesus Christ, the implications of that in their field, together with our young graduates, and to pass wisdom on from one generation to another. For the last 250 years, ever since the Enlightenment really broke down the doors of the university, the world that we live in has understood a whole variety of different categories for seeing humanity, for seeing society. And Christianity has been made into one of those categories. But if we say that Jesus Christ is Lord, then surely he has to be Lord of all. If he's not Lord of all, then he isn't really Lord. And if Jesus Christ is Lord, then I want us to be asking the big question, so what? What difference does it make to these different fields for us to be followers of the Lord, followers of Jesus? The first groups we're starting are going to be, first one with Tony Watkins, who is a man who works for damaris.org.uk. It's a cultural engagement, Christian cultural engagement organisation. And Tony has a particular speciality in critiquing films. So we're going to train people to engage as Christians in contemporary media, to understand the worldview messages which are being given out by media, but also to understand how to communicate, using some of that worldview stuff, to non-believers, the Christian worldview, the Christian gospel message. The second one we're starting is with Professor John Lennox, Professor of Mathematics from Oxford University, who's at the front of the battle with new atheism. And John wants to work with us to help grow a new generation of Bible teachers who are able to think from the start to the finish of God's Word, but also to apply to the breadth of our society.